matagal kung ano ng year. O sa year sila nag-plant. Tingnan nyo guys, oh, yung sasakyan sa kabila. Oh, look at that. Kasi rush hour na ngayon. Andito din, oh. Dami. 4 lanes yan ha. Sa kabila din is 4 lanes. But still, oh, parang mga uod naglalakad. Parang mga ants. Plus, may train pa. Pero, ano pa rin, traffic pa rin. Doon sa kabila, 4 lanes din. This lane are all going to the north. On the other side, going to the south. Ito lang this is the only high building here in the city. Hindi uso dito yung high building. Parang ano. Ayan ang train, oh. Ito ang gustong mangyari ni Duterte sa Pilipinas. Yan. In between the two directions, doon yung train dadaan, going there and forth just like that. You know, we're on our way to Mission Highway. Tingnan mo. Halos hindi na
Can you move
uusad
your hand? I've got to try and get over.
hindi na uusad yung mga ano. Hindi na
Do
uusad
not
yung
hold your phone up at the moment. I'm trying to get over and